divine wisdom. I am not worried, for you are the hidden back of me. You are the protector of my life, and I am 63. The turning times of life makes the body age, yet deep inside my heart you are the young soul of me. You told me who I was, a ray of the wholesome light. If I am the light, of you I am, for you cast light on me. You are the singer of my song, you are the sugar of my tongue. My words are sweeter now, for you are the tongue of me. You are my time and space, you are my present state. Name is just a fake ID, you are my real name and addressee. In the bazaar of deceit, they sell sugar so expensive. When I shop from you, you sell it cheap to me. For gold miners are greedy, the mines are out of gold. Yet the golden words never end there in the mine of deceit. I wonder in sorrow of the very bad times we are in. I am burning in low zeal. You are the fire in the life of me. They are ruling on us, for we lack the wisdom we need. Oh wisdom, do something. You are the divine wisdom to me. My subsistence is in those abundant hands of yours. My food is always ready, for you are the mouth of me. Life is not but a 2-day life long, and you are my life. If one day is bad, the other day a good one would be. This world of time and space has taken my stamina away. Of you I get a new life, you are my strength and energy. My heart body came to life of the life breath of thee. Of you I have a subtle soul, a soul which is flowing in me. You are my blowing wind, the hurting follow me. Fall is the time to brew wine. You are the vineyard for me. You are my intention and aim. You are my arrow and my bow. You are my wine tender. You are the old holy McGee. You are my this and my that, my faith and belief. If I have a charisma, you are better than that to me. Sometimes I get disappointed and lonesome in vain. The one who drags me to hope, that would be thee. You worry for me, therefore you are safeguarding me. I would never run short of love, for you are my surety. I am not worried, the divine wisdom said to me, one runs not out of my love, for you are my love addressee.